What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another drawing tutorial, coming back with Squid Game the Officer. So this is like the square guard, except he's like colors are reversed or something like that. So landscape page, use a pencil, use an eraser, hit pause if I go too fast. So we're going to start sort of center point to my page, right? His chin will probably be here. So we're just going to start with this sort of U shape. Like it, essentially the mask is kind of shaped like a balloon, right? So we got the skinny end down here. So we just bring this down. It's kind of like, it's a bit round, like it's not like a jawbone or anything, because it's like an oval sort of mask. Right? So it's kind of thin, and it's like his hood comes past here. And so it goes down this way. Okay, so that's like his chin, and then his hoodie comes up around the side of the mask. So the line for the mask and the hood are kind of like the same. So we're going to aim for, go like here, close enough to the top of my page, right? And there's like some edge lines and stuff on this. So if we went, yeah, and it can be kind of bumpy, right? So we'll go about there. So what I'm going to do is like join this to here. And again, it's a hoodie, so don't worry if it's not like perfectly straight or anything. You would have some bends and twists and stuff in the fabric anyway. So it'll kind of look more realistic if it's a bit wavy. And then we'll try to do the same thing over the opposite side. So we want to sort of bring this around this way. So it kind of looks like an oval or a balloon or an egg, maybe. It's like another similar shape. You know, like a hot air balloon, if you put the little basket down here. So we got some details on this. So he's got like a bar that comes like across here. It's curving now. It's not like straight, so it like curves around a bit. And this has another line underneath, so we just do that again. And then he has two that come down the middle, I think. Yeah, right, so it goes this way. Now it doesn't go right down the end, right? It kind of stops here because he's got a piece of plastic on his chin as well. You could just go right down to the chin. It might be easier. But on this guy, there's a little extra detail down here that goes this way. Now again, going right down to the bottom might be easier and it'll look kind of the same. But he's just like a little extra thing down there. And there's kind of a gap in the middle. Like that. And then there seems to be like another little piece of plastic up the top of his head. It's like the top of the mask is like in here somewhere. Coming around there. So that's like the hoodie line, and then there's like just this sort of a thing. So we have the white square. Now this can be sort of curved, right? So because it's, you know, sitting on a curved mask. So if we went like this first, pretty close to this thing. And we'll go the other side, about the same height. Okay. And then we join the top, curve it across. And the bottom. Okay, and of course there's white in here, so we just got to go on the inside again. Okay, that's his mask. So I think drawing the chin, I started with the bar on the others, the pink square guard. But I think maybe that might be easier. Let me know. Not sure what, like you could start anywhere really. So, okay, so the rest of his hood. So this kind of kicks back here, right? Like connects to his jacket, sort of. That way. And then we bump it up. So it can be bumpy, wavy, you know, because it's a piece of clothing. So there'll be like lines coming in like this, you know, like showing like some folds on his jacket. And then we go up around. And it just goes. And like up at the top, it's kind of flat. So it like goes up and bumps across here. Kind of flat along the top. And then we got an edge line to the hood. And remember, hit pause if I'm going too fast. Use that pause button. You know. Okay. Right, so his collar, we can just see it here, coming across that chin area. We got like a bit of a zipper here. So say just like a little rectangle is probably the easiest way to do it. A little box in it like that. And then the black side comes down this way. Boom. And it has an edge line to it. So just like another little sort of like a raised up area coming around the edge. Like that. And then there's a center line coming down where the zipper is. And then a little sort of stitching line there. It's always nice drawing guys with masks so you don't have to deal with eyes or noses or stuff. So shoulders. Now roughly shoulders is about the width of a human head. Now I guess his head probably is a little bit narrower than the mask. So if we went like here, especially if it's male, let's see, you're probably like shoulder be about there. So normally like a man's shoulders are 3 heads across, right? So say like here, 1, 2, 3, right? So roughly, like that, right? Female like 2.5, just under 3. It's a good rule of thumb. It's good to know. And then like his sort of jacket lines come down this way, like armpits and all this stuff. He's a pocket on this side. With a button. And just 4 little dots for a button. Got an edge line on it. And then on this as well, the pocket sort of area. Some folding lines. And there's a strap here actually. Like a buckle strap. Rightio. Yeah. That's all. Not missing that, am I? No, it was quick. Square guard. The officer square guard. Hope it was helpful. As usual, thanks for watching. Thanks for supporting the channel. See you next one. Bye.